What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today in this video we're going to be doing what we seem to do on a lot of vehicles, and we're going to do some exhaust modifications. So as you know, on my truck it's basically cat out right now. Everything else is just not there, but that's going to be getting completed very soon. Jake, on the other hand, is going to go, I think he's going full straight pipe, like we're cutting cats everything off on his. But because of like some legal issues or whatever, the shop can't cut his catalytic converters off, so we have to do it here, and then he'll take it to them and then they'll finish it or whatever. So we're gonna do that. He's on his way here now and I'm waiting on him like I usually am. But yeah, so once he gets here, we're gonna chop his cats off. We're gonna ask him what his plan is with it, see what he wants to do. I think we're gonna be running open headers for a day because he's going tomorrow to the shop. So yeah, we'll get that all figured out and then we'll be back with him. All right. So Jake is here now, and what's up? He's right there. We got this side getting jacked up. This side's already up. He's about to crawl in there, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like under there, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna look pretty bad. So yeah, we're gonna get this side up, and then we'll get to chopping.
Like my homemade.
Oh,
Bend
no.
over, Shawnee. This is my starter.
So, yeah, you just heard Jake. He can't get his bolts off, and we can't get a sawzall in there to cut it. So I don't know what we're gonna do, because we're trying to cut his cats off. So
Because the fucking shop won't take them off.
yeah. So I don't know what we're gonna do next. Sounding now. Exhaust over here, because after they welded it up or whatever, this fell down a little bit, so I put it back up. Look at that fitment right on the bumper there. It looks real good. It's pretty sturdy. It ain't moving that much. And I threw a new hanger on right there, you know, reinforced it. I'm gonna trim it up, so I cut off the excess on it. And besides that, the exhaust system is done on this truck, so we're pretty well off. It sounds pretty good, actually. I'm very happy with it. It did not cost me much to have those guys welded up either, so I'm pretty excited. So yeah, dude, I'm too far. Go.
Fine.
Shawn's a little slow over there. Probably a good thing you got a bracket with this thing, because your bracket is absolutely disgusting.
You know what? Yeah,
Just donkey kick it.
that's what I'm doing. That hand over there. Oh shit! Drive! What the fuck?
Hey, you're turning my rotor jag off.
Oh, fucking use the.
Alright, we're going.
Oh.
4. It ain't working, Chief.
There you go.
I'm dead!
You mean a 3/8, not a 10 mil?
Do I have a 10 mil that is a 3/8?
Oh. I thought you were looking for the 3/8 socket. You got Nimrod right next to you.
What the fuck is he gonna do?
I don't know. Be useful.
I'm recording for your YouTube.
I'm gonna give him the non-braking special.
Ah! Brake fluid! I'm guessing you got it?
No.
Oh. Then why is it fucking leaking?
It isn't.
Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Did you get it now?
Yes.
Jeez. Your side looks a lot better than his.
Yeah, I know, because I know what I'm doing.
What are these torque to, like 300 foot-pounds?
No, remember 400.
Well, you just got about 150. I can't. Shit.
What?
I can't put the caliper on if I don't have the fucking rotor on.
I was about to fucking say, what the fuck are you doing?
Got to wipe her down nice and good.
I'm gonna need to wipe her down again over here.
Cold. Burns.
Stop spinning it.
Suck my dick, dude.
No, my
I'm
rotor's
busy.
starting to scratch on the.
Official brakes of NASCAR.
NASCAR. Only pussies race NASCAR. Alright, with that being said, guys, that is going to wrap up this video for today. So basically what happened with Jake's car is that, you know, we were just doing the rear brake jobs. It needed it pretty badly. They were all kind of fucked up. But it's going to be continued into the next video because there's a lot more that happened and a lot more we ended up having to do. I'm currently filming this next day, and that is going to be when this video is mixed in with, because we also did some exhaust work on his car. I'm sitting in his car right now waiting on him. He's inside. But basically, yeah. That's going to wrap up this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys all into the next one.